Your coin is not pumping because someone needs you to hold it while they exit. That's not a theory. That's not bad luck. That's a trap, and it's playing out on this exact chart right now. I'm going to show you where retail traders got destroyed, why your timing always feels one step behind, and the one mindset shift that separates losing traders from profitable ones. Stay with me until the end, or keep falling for the same trap. Before we get into this chart, understand one thing. Most influencers talk about coins after they've already pumped. Here at Market Clarity Lab, we study the psychology and data before the move happens. If you're tired of being exit liquidity, if you want to actually understand how markets work instead of just reacting emotionally, hit subscribe right now. Let's rewire how you trade. Now look at this chart carefully. For several days, nothing happened. Price just drifted sideways. No excitement. No volume. Most retail traders looked at this and thought, market is weak. Nothing to do here. That was exactly the reaction smart money was waiting for. Then, one massive green candle. And the moment that candle appeared, retail traders flooded in. They saw opportunity. Smart money saw them. Because the moment emotional traders clicked buy, larger players had already started selling into that excitement. You didn't lose because you were unlucky. You lost because you were predictable. This is not personal. This is a system. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Here's the real difference between traders who lose consistently and traders who actually build wealth in this market. Losing traders find conviction in excitement. Winning traders find conviction in patience. Most people only get interested in a coin after it starts pumping. But by that point, risk is already at its highest. The real opportunities, they're in the boring charts. The ones nobody is screenshotting. The quiet consolidation phases. The forgotten projects sitting in sideways ranges for weeks. That's where major moves are built, not after a vertical candle has already gone viral on Twitter. The market rewards those who prepare before the crowd arrives, and punishes those who chase after it. Here are 3 rules. Simple, brutal, effective. Rule 1, the boring zone rule. If a chart looks boring, start paying attention. If it already looks euphoric, be very careful. Excitement is not an entry signal. Excitement is a warning. Rule 2, the urgency trap. When you suddenly feel the urge to buy because price is exploding upward, pause. That feeling of urgency is not a green light. It's the trap activating. Emotional urgency is almost always a sign you're late, not early. Rule 3, volume doesn't lie. Healthy moves are backed by strong volume. If price is surging aggressively but volume stays weak, that move is probably being driven by retail FOMO, not real demand. No volume confirmation, no conviction. Trading is not about predicting candles. It's about controlling yourself. The market will always create setups designed to trigger emotional reactions. Your job is not to react, it's to observe. Master that. And you've already separated yourself from 90% of retail traders. Now I want to know who's actually serious. Comment, Market Clarity, below if you're done chasing pumps and ready to trade with a clear head. And if you want to see the single habit that's destroying most traders right now, watch the next video on your screen. I'm Market Clarity Lab. Stop chasing. Start trading. See you in the next one.